Haas's robot package has allowed us to triple our production. My name is Cherish Vining with Primary Machine, and we're located in Morgan City, Louisiana. Originally, we started out doing oil fill work, but we quickly transitioned into firearm and defense manufacturing. We mainly focus on custom slide work, but we also make our own products such as barrels, guide rods, compensators, and KSG shell deflectors. Before we started looking at Haas's robot packages, we were going to be hiring a night shift, which would almost double our payroll costs. But now we're able to run lights out 100% and keep our overhead still relatively low. The tool management feature has really helped with that. Originally, we were really worried about the reliability and accuracy, considering no one would be standing at the machine the whole time. But now with the tool management feature, we know that it'll keep track of the runtime of the tools and when we need to change it out. This really helps with reliability as well as cost management because we know when to change the tools and it keeps the scrap rate really low. One of our products that I think really shows off Haas's machine capabilities is our stainless steel fluted guide rods. In the past, we got other companies to quote out this product, which they denied quoting, and the few companies that did make it ended up not being high quality products. Haas's ST15 has allowed us to take this product in-house and complete the OD lathe work, which is a very tedious process. We then move the product into the VF1 where the second operation is done with the HRT 160 rotary. All of our mills have a fourth or fifth axis in them. This allows us to go from having 4 or 5 operations at a time down to maybe 1 or 2 operations. One of the rotaries that we really like is the TRT 160. This rotary is really compact and allows for more clearance for work holding on the table. My husband and I started the company a little over 7 years ago out of a small 120 square foot shed. We now own 3 facilities which total 13,000 square feet, but we're quickly outgrowing it. By 2024, we expect to expand double the size we are now and purchase many more Haas machines. Haas's price point and reliability has allowed us to expand much more quickly than others and still let us compete with the best of the best out there.